I didn't fall in love with you because I needed you, or that I wanted someone to hold, or that I needed you to make me feel loved. I fell in love with you because the moment I met you, everything stopped. The sounds around us were all muted, and all I could hear was your voice, and every time I stared into your eyes, I felt home. And I had no other thought in the world but how can I make you happy for the rest of your life? Because you were already doing so much for me and you didn't even know it. But as time went on, you slowly started to drift away. And the worst part of it was, I knew I couldn't do anything to stop it from happening. You were gone. But you will always have a place in my heart whether I like it or not. Because I have never felt love like that way I felt it with you. Even if it ended up